Alright y'all, welcome to Mastering Mayhem. We're going to install a wall clock that has adhesive. Basically it's just going to go right here on the wall. I already took all the contents out of the package, so we're going to go ahead and level everything out and we'll just see how it looks when it's all up here on the wall. There's plenty of other different designs out there as far as the type of DIY adhesive clocks that you can get, or wall clocks. We chose this one, we liked it, it's like a mirror effect. And so we're going to go ahead and just install it here. Let's show you guys how easy it is, how quickly it can go on. This is the SKIL laser level that I'm going to use to just kind of set everything up on the wall. So this SKIL laser level here, pretty compact. It was 20 bucks at Lowe's. I'll put a link in the description for it. And it comes with a blue tack putty, so you can stick to the wall while you're working. Plus it has the level bubbles here for horizontal and vertical. So it's a nice tool. We're going to set this up, which is the centerpiece. Now we have this ready, it's just sitting on the wall. We're gonna set up the center again. All right, so these are all the pieces here. Basically we got the quartz movement mechanism there. Takes a AA battery, so we already got the AA ready. And yeah, they're flimsy pieces, but again, so just be careful with them when you're putting them on. You guys can space it out the way you want, but you'll see how we do it here. Kind of gives you an idea of how it will look when it's on the wall. So something like that. And then this mechanism will set up right here. So this centerpiece is gonna hang on the wall. All right, so let's go ahead and get this together. Boom. See? Look at that. Basically it's a mirror the way she wanted it. So it just takes you step by step, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so now we do the hour hand. And these hands, you gotta push them on quite a bit. Wiggle it in there and don't be afraid to push it on. Basically, it's gotta be to where you can hold it like that. Different layers here. One's for the hour hand, the other's for the minute, and then of course the second hand just pops on to keep them in place. So parallel to each other, basically at 12 o'clock mark. It's a little scary pushing it on because these things are so flimsy, but it's flush there and it's on there nice and snug. That's ready to go, and now we just put the red second hand on. Just push it on and be careful with it. And you can use a bit of force. You can kind of feel when it pops in. Like now I'm just kind of pushing it every once in a while. That should be it. Now we just pop the battery in and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's a sweeping motion second hand, and there's no clicking or ticking sound or anything like that. All right, so we got the centerpiece, minimal damage with the crack. Let's set it to the right time. What time do we have?
Cool.
All right. Ooh. Alright, about how high do you want it? Right there. Get the centerpiece up here. Yeah, we'll put the 6 and the 12, and then we'll work with this laser, put the 3 and the 9 there. Alright, let's do it. So we're going to go ahead and install number 6 here, right about there, middle, level, and that's where it's going to sit. All the numbers have adhesive on the back, so you just peel this off. Now again, you guys can space it out however you like, whether you want to lower or higher, but I'm just going to put it a few inches below it. And since we got that level up, I'm going to get another level. So we're going to make sure it's level horizontally here, and that's, yep, it's level. Press it onto the wall. Alright, that's 6. Let's go ahead and take out the...
Did this have good reviews?
I just like it.
You know, two different species.
That looks pretty nice. So it's just going to sit on either side like that. And it's level and it's going right through the 12 o'clock marker up here. So we'll just put the number 1 on one side and the number 2 on the other. Okay, and 2. That looks good, you said?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we got the 12. We just went off of the edge of the 6 with the laser coming up. 12 up here. It says to press it firmly. And we'll just take off the film here. I like it. Looks pretty good, right? So now we're going to work on the 9 and the 3, and then we'll be done. So we're doing it basically away from the outer edges on the clock, 2 1/4 inches. So I'll separate it 2 1/4 inches here, and the same on this side with the 9 and the 3. Just going to move the laser. Okay, now we're gonna go to the other side for the 9 and we'll be done. Make sure you look at your hands, and we already had the second hand run into the minute hand. Second hand got stuck on the minute hand. Alright, so now we got the laser going right through the 9 o'clock marker here for the middle section. So the 9 is going to come out 2 1/4 inches and we'll be good to go. See that 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
45.
Okay, as you can see, it looks pretty level, right? Balanced?
Yeah, it looks good. The stick just looks so massive. It's bizarre that they did that.
Yeah, I don't know, but this kit. They have quite a few different ones out there, but we decided on this one. So I like it. I think it's a nice piece. It gives you a little bit of artwork on the wall, and it's a mirror. It has a reflection there. That's it. It looks pretty level and balanced and whatnot.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking us out on Mastering Mayhem. Methods to the Madness, that's our goal for this channel. The Mastering Mayhem channel is just us kind of showing how we have our method to the madness from in the home and relationship wise, products, just kind of reviewing products that help at the house, and just how we're doing with our channels out on YouTube. So thanks for watching this. The links will be below. Please like, subscribe. Thanks again. See y'all later.